Welcome everybody. Today we're going to be smoking some chicken quarters, legs and thighs combined. We're going to put a rub on it, put it in our smoker, and let's get going. Okay, we have our chimney starter. We're going to load the bottom with some paper, a starter. We're going to load the top with some charcoal. Okay, while that's heating up, we're going to make our rub. All right, so we have cayenne pepper, we have paprika, we have chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and sage. We're going to mix this up real well. Okay, we have our plate, we have the mixture, the rub mixture. We're going to put this on a plate. It's a little windy out here. We have our leg and thigh, and we're just going to coat it. Make sure you shake all the excess off. There you go. Okay, we have our smoker. I do not have a firebox. I burned it out years ago. So I'm going to offset it inside the main chamber. We have our hot coals. We're just going to dump this in here on one side. Here we have our hickory. We're going to be using hickory today. I have soaked this overnight. We're just going to take a couple blocks out. Close the lid and let this heat up. We're going to open that up. I have this open over here, and we'll get this nice and heated up. Okay, we have this pretty much warmed up. We're at 275 here. We're going to open this up. I'm going to put our grate over this so I can put the water on here. This will help keep temperature a little cool and keep the smoke going. And we're just going to add our chicken. Okay, before we shut it, we're going to add our thermometer. I'm going to put this in far left, far right. And we're going to shut it. Now we can get a readout on the temperature. This is the internal temperature of the grill, of the smoker. This will be the temperature of inside the meat. We're shooting for 165. This is going to take about 2 hours at least. You want this to be around between 150, 250, 275 for the 2 hours. If it gets a little cold, you can stoke the fire. If not, you can crack this open if it gets a little hot. But we have our vents open on both sides, and it should flow nicely. Okay, we have our temperature. It's been about an hour now. It's come down from 250 to like 165. So we're going to stoke this a little bit. We're going to add some more wood, not much. I can do that from in here. Just like so. And maybe a couple little pieces. All right, let that come back up to temperature. It starts to get, it's a little windy out here. I might want to close this vent a little bit. We'll see how this temperature reacts. All right, it's been about 3 hours now. I had to put extra coals on there. It's been a windy day. So we have our meat up to temperature. And we're going to open this up. Man, look at that. Doesn't that look nice? Oh, look at that. Crispy skin. There you go. All right, let's give it a try. I'm going to try to take this drumstick off. Maybe not. Oh, it's definitely smoked. And it falls right off the bone. Definitely got a little kick on the rub. We put 3 different peppers on there. Yeah, very tasty. With the smoke flavor from the meat. Very moist, falls right off the bone. As you can see, there's the drumstick. So until next time, this is a Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.